As the dawn sweeps closer, the rhythmic roar of the falls seems almost tangible, a reminder of the raw power and tranquility that coexist in this secluded paradise. Baga Falls isn't just a sight to behold, it's a sanctuary of calm, a place where time slows down and the beauty of the Pitan's natural landscape takes center stage. From above, the drone captures more than just a waterfalls. It captures the soul of Baao, its untouched beauty, its scenery, and its promise of adventure to those willing to explore beyond the beaten path.
Sol y arena, oh so bright, baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body.